welcome back to the Green Farm channel. It's Claudette, and before I get started, I just want to say I am fighting a cold and I'm slowly but surely getting over it. I just have a lingering cough, which has just been driving me crazy. So I'm going to sound hoarse throughout this whole video, and it probably will get worse because the more I talk, the worse it gets. Anyways, I wanted to share with you an unboxing of the new mystery Anya Combo. Most of you guys hopefully have already gotten yours. I'm not releasing this video until after everybody gets it there. So I'm hoping that if you haven't gotten your mystery Anya Combo number 2, then don't watch this if you want to be surprised. So just come back to it after. But if you want to see what it is in your kit, then keep on watching. But I hope that you guys see it for yourself when you open your mail. But I thought I would do a first impression. So I haven't seen it yet. Marie went ahead and taped the images, and then I went ahead and inserted a piece of paper on the back side because there's a picture of it on the back side. I did not want to see it at all. Now, if you don't know which one I'm talking about, let me show you the first Anya Combo, and it is this cute stamp set. These are pretty big. I don't know if they're the same size. I have yet to color them. When this came out, I was probably in London, I think, and then I got it during the holidays. So I'm not quite sure. They should be the same size as all the other Anyas, I'm assuming. But these are, Marie came out with this vinyl stickers of these, and you guys and I begged for these to become stamps, and so she went ahead and made them into stamps. This was like all our big kits, a pre-order, and then whatever was left in the store, you know, those who didn't get it were able to buy. So this is the same with the number 2. If you guys missed that, number 2 is the same. You buy the same, treat it the same way as a big kit. However, we were not, even the team, were not privy to what the other Anyas in the kit look like. So this is why I went ahead and tried everything I can not to see this. This was my team package as well, so I got all the other month's stamp sets, and I just really did not want to see it because I really wanted to do a first impression of the mystery stamp set. So let us look at it for the very first time. I hope I did everything I could. Okay, so I think that's the back. Okay, so this is how Marie sent it to me. She went ahead and put some, I don't know if this is origami over it. So we were only able to see this one when we purchased it. I have a feeling, and I could be wrong, that it's a coffee theme. I don't know why I'm thinking that way. So apparently this was the one she couldn't fit onto the first Anya Combo. And then these are all new, and that's why they're covered up for all of us to see. And again, if you haven't gotten yours and you want to be surprised, please turn off this video and come back to it later. I don't know if you're going to want to do that because you've already seen it, but for those who haven't, this is the Anya Combo 2, same size as the Anya Combo 1, and I'm hoping I could do this without ruining the surprise for myself. You see how I went ahead and did everything I can to not be able to see this should I accidentally flipped over, because Marie did say that you could see it in the back, which I'm not sure if that's true because, or maybe she meant the back if I was just to take it out. I don't know, but I just did everything I can. Let me see if I could show you guys what I did. So I went ahead and covered it. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm really, really excited. I'm really bummed I haven't had a chance to play with the Anya Combo 1. Okay, so as you can see, we have this cute Anya, and she's leaning up against a coffee cup, You have a little present and you have this sending smiles. I see that we have a little muffin, and then a little flag, glasses, the sentiment cheer up, and let's do coffee, and a heart. So let's start right here. Really excited. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I love her hair. Wow, yeah, I do love it. I mean, I am loving these new Anyas. They're just adorable. I love her hair and her outfit as well. Her little sweater, off the shoulder sweater. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I thought this was going to be all coffee theme. I don't know why. Maybe because of this and this sentiment. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's see. I'm doing everything I can so I don't see it until the whole thing is removed. I'm turning away as I'm removing this. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is kind of like a sweater theme. Oh my gosh, look at the hat. That is adorable. I love her hair. I say the straighter the hair, the easier for me to color. I don't color as well as the girls on the DT. And if you don't know, I'm not looking as I'm pulling this. My head is turned away. I want to be surprised. I always tell Marie not to show me certain things unless it's something I had a hand in planning. Oh, how cute. She kind of looks like a little cheerleader. How adorable is that? Cute. That is so cute. And look at her hair. Yes, easy for me to color. Okay, let's go down this one. All right. Let me turn my head. I'm sure you guys can see it as I remove this, or you've already seen yours. Okay. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Look at her bag, guys. It has a little face. How cute. This kind of reminds me of Sailor Moon. Now, I didn't grow up watching Sailor Moon. Yeah, I think I was already living in the United States. I grew up in Japan, so which is odd. I should have been able to watch Sailor Moon, but I never watched it in Japan. And this gives me all the Japan feels. Love this. I love her bag. Okay. So far, so good. Let's look at this one. My head's turned. Oh my gosh, I do love this. I gotta look at the first one after I'm done with this. I'll bring the first one back in. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the hairs on these. And the outfit, perfect for your summer cards, or spring cards too. Wow, 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 I'm not disappointed at all. I mean, I'm never really disappointed with anything that Marie draws. Oh, this is upside down. Oh my gosh. I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving all the hairstyle in this kit. And then I'm loving how these mouths are a little bit different now. Wow, I love it. It looks like it's a crop top too. I love their hair. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys are as happy as I am with this kit. Okay, let's look at this one. Try not to look at it. Oh, this is so cute. Look at how big her sweater looks on her. It's kind of like how it looks on me, but wow, I do love the hair. I absolutely love, 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 love the hairstyles on this kit. I love it on the other kit too. Okay, last one, guys. Turn my head. Oh my gosh, she's wearing a hoodie. Oh, this is adorable. This is how I look right now when I go walk the dogs, because Southern California has been so cold and so rainy. I think that's why I got sick, is because I'm getting my backyard renovated, and I can't just open my sliding door and let the dogs out. I gotta walk them 3 different times, 3 dogs at 3 different times, and it's been killing me. So this is how I've been looking, dressing like this and this, but definitely with the hood on my head every time I go out walking, because it has been not only cold but rainy. We've not gotten this much rain in forever. I feel like I'm living back in the Bay Area. But oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I think she's so cute. I don't even know who my favorite is. I mean, they're all, I just love this one, and I love this one, the hairdos. I actually love them all. Oh my gosh. I love this. I am not disappointed. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that comes in the set. You get 3 sentiments, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? 5 little elements to create your little card scenes. Wow, wow, wow. I am so impressed. I am in love with this stamp set. Let me grab Anya Combo 1. Let's see. Oh, there's nothing in the back. I didn't have to do all that. Let's put this here. All right, so this is number 2, and this is number 1. I love this. This is one of my favorites. I want to say this one. Actually, this one. Oh my gosh, I can't even choose. They're all so cute. This one only had, oh, this had 8. This has 9. She was able to fit more, so yay. I hope you guys were able to purchase this. Now remember, this works as a regular big kit, meaning if you already pre-ordered, you are guaranteed one. If you haven't pre-ordered, you missed it, or you're new to the Greeting From channel and you would like this, hopefully there is some in the store. I will definitely put a link of it in the description box down below if there is. If there's no link, then that means we ran out. So basically what happens is when we have pre-order up, whatever is left from the pre-order, they go into the shop, and it's a first come first serve basis. I'll more than likely be posting on Instagram when there's extra. I believe Rosie will be posting on Facebook when there's extra. So let's pray that there's some extra, but they go really quick, guys. So if you missed out on this, make sure to follow all our social media and hit that notification, and you will be notified as soon as we post if there's any available. But for those who have purchased, I hope you're just as happy as I am with this Anya Combo 2. What a surprise. I really thought it was a coffee theme. I don't know why. I was even surprised she came out with this. Like I said, I was in London when she came out with the this big kit set, so I didn't know anything about it, and I didn't get to do the big kit video. But I'm super glad she did it the way she did. For me, as well as the whole entire team, did not know, besides this cutie, what came in this stamp set. It was all new to us, and as you can see, this was the first time I saw what was in this stamp kit. I mean, heck, it was the first time I saw what was in here when I got my package, because I was not around during the release for this. So yeah, I hope you guys are super excited with your stamp kit, because you guys who pre-order should already be having this, because we weren't going to reveal it before you got your kit. So please leave a comment down below letting us know how much you love it and which one is your favorite. All right, everyone, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.